until they crack the cap. Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars, a cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Once a year, we like to do the best detailing product of the year 2021 and the best tool for 2021. It was a tough one because there's some really cool stuff out there, but we wanted to share this with you. And Julio, tell everybody where all the tools will be.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez Jorge Johnson. The best product for detailing that we have found this year is unbelievable. You'll see this video right here. Take your after wash, and this is great for stacking. It has polymers and ceramic coating in it, so every time you use it, it gets better and better and better. And the next day after you do this, it will really shine and stuff will not stick to it. Just spray it on through the headlights, the grill, everything. I'm just drying as normal. When we take our microfibers, buff it out. And those headlights, look at that, they're beautiful. There's my proof. Do this every time with this stuff right here. Every time you wash your vehicle, you've got to dry it anyhow. Guess what? When the worst times of scratching your vehicle is in the drying process. So with this stuff, it doesn't allow you to scratch the paint. Well, there's the shine. Look at that. I don't think that car's ever shined that much. And you think it shines after you do it? Wait till the next day. Now, the reason we picked this is because these guys are so innovative. They have come up with something that is really 16 ounces of unbelievable. And it truly is. Because every time you use it, this was amount we were used on the video. That's all we used right there. And we put it on pretty heavy. And that car, once it's washed, it shines like nobody's business. I've never seen that car shine that well. And the pearl in it came out just gorgeous. These guys are really on top of it. And they came close to having this beat by their other product that they sent, and that is the permanent restoration of all plastic trim. This stuff right here is unbelievable as well. We use strictly this, and we use strictly this right here, the after wash. Unbelievable. You'll love it. I guarantee it. We'll put our name on it. To all 400,000 subscribers, we're putting our name on that product right there for Product of the Year 2021. And it took us a couple of months to figure out which ones we wanted to do. Also, our new channel's coming out where we fix everything. We have so many things to share with everyone about how to fix this, how to fix that. It'll have how to cook really cool brisket and ribs and innovative ways you've never seen before. It'll be everything from fixing your pool to fixing a tire, to how to buff this, how to buff that, how to glue this, how to glue that. I mean, everything you can think of, we're going to share with you on that new channel, and it's coming up. Now, our tool of the year for 2021 is this little rig right here. This is a tool that we love. The Permatex Black Adhesive Sealer, the clear and the black are unbelievable. They are the best as far as gluing and sealing together something, especially rubber and plastic. This stuff is off the charts, but that's not why we're here. It got beat out by this little tool right here. Okay, you know we came up with the vacuum cap method. If we would have been a little smarter, we could have had this invention out, but we didn't. And this is what's cool. This has been sealed up for a long time. And you know, most people stick a screw in there or something like that. This, you just pull it off, and that's what's inside there. It keeps it, seals up to as small as you can possibly get the glue, and watch it come out. Look at that. It's as fresh as you could possibly want it to be. Love that. I hate to waste that. I don't know where to put it. I know what you're thinking. I'm not going to put it there. So that goes back in there like that till I can clean that up. Now, it works on every type of silicone glue. Construction glue. All you guys with construction businesses that have construction glue, use these little buggers right here. I'm telling you, you're going to love them. Now, when you have this is our favorite gasket maker right here, and it's fantastic stuff. When you have a threaded cap like this, everybody reefs it down until they crack the cap, and then what happens is they go to use it, and then you're in there digging it out with a screw and trying to get it and get all the hard, solid stuff out of there. Goes right over the threads, seals up airtight. Watch this. Just as beautiful as can be.